Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by taking a photo or recording a short clip so you have content to layer. Once done, tap the sticker icon in the top right. This opens Snapchat sticker tray where you can browse categories or use the search field to locate emoji, GIF, and Bitmoji. Make sure to try My Stickers for saved images and the Scissors tool to create custom stickers from your snap. This immediate step sets up everything you'll build on in the next actions. You now position stickers to enhance your message. Drag a sticker onto the snap, then pinch with 2 fingers to resize and rotate it until it fits the frame. Once placed, long press to lock and layer stickers, and tap certain stickers to trigger built-in animations or looping GIF behavior. Make sure to explore attachment options like adding a link or timer, and use the Draw tool to integrate the sticker visually. This makes your sticker feel intentional. To finish, send your snap to friends or post to your story. You can also save it to memories so that stickers remain editable later. If you need the stickered image outside Snapchat, export using the share or save options which preserve overlays. If a sticker fails to appear or behaves oddly, restart the app, check for app updates, and clear cache in settings. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, recreate the sticker using the Scissors tool as a reliable workaround.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.